Hey everybody, this is Minecraft Rocket Guys, and thanks for 10 subscribers. Thanks for some of you supporting me. Some people are hating, but yeah, this is Tropical Storm Andrea, just about to landfall at 5 p.m. It's 5:30. It's probably already landfalled. I will show you some a satellite stuff. So, let's get started. This is a storm. It is expected to go, it's expected to hit within the next 10-20 minutes to hit, east of Tallahassee, no, not Tallahassee, Tallahassee, Florida, and north of Tampa Bay. I'm not very good with cities down there. So, it looks like, it's supposed to go through eastern South Carolina and eastern North Carolina and Virginia, then go right up the coast, then go out to sea. So, yeah. I don't want to get stuck on something because I know I do that a lot. Here is the GFS, and I'm going to do the 0Z because it's made the fixes because the storm has formed. And let's loop all. Slow it down, girl. Just speed it up so it'll get through. Come on, finish. Okay. So this is a storm. Here's the storm. It has made the near adjustments, and it looks like it's pretty much on track. Probably a little bit off, but not not terrible. So I'm gonna move this just a little bit. There we go. So let's go to the 6Z model run. Atlantic. Oh my gosh, my neck's killing me. But I'm gonna do this for you guys. So, let's slow this down. There's the storm in Florida, and it looks like this time it's showing a wet western side, not more of a centralized system, but a western side, more wet. And that makes sense because it's supposed to get some bear clinic help from this storm right here. Excuse me. Well, I think a high pressure is actually right here. Well, never mind. I don't know what's happening, but yeah. So let's go to 12Z. Slow down animation speed. Never mind. Let's speed through this. There. That storm's looking a little stronger than any of the other ones, and it's showing wetness to the west, and it's going a little further west, and it has a second low right behind it. This low is just like a brother. It tags right behind you. I know what it feels like, Andrea. I know what it feels like. Oh, that was stupid. So, let's do the 18Z. I'm not sure if it's finished being made because, it only has 39 hours. Well, it shows enough so that it can. Yeah, it looks like the storm is gonna have a tag behind, according to the GFS. So there might be some more rain coming right after the storm. And that's probably not very convenient, but storm don't care. So let's look at the other models, like the CMC. So, all here's the CMC. It has the storm a little further back than it really is right now. Right here's the wind shear, a lot of wind shear right there. And right now where the storm is, a small high pressure is trying to develop, and yeah, a small upper level high pressure is trying to develop. So that is 12 hours. That's 24 hours, and it has the storm over Tallahassee, but over here it shows, what is that? I'm not sure. Well, the pressures show that it's, you know what? I'm not sure. That might be the upper level. So the lower level. Oh, okay, so there's an upper level low over Andrea, I guess, and the storm is supposed to hit between Tallahassee and Tampa. The storm, dang, this really intensifies the storm really quickly. It pours a lot of rain over a lot of areas. Yeah, the CMC I think intensifies it a little too much. It has a tendency of doing that also though, so I'm not surprised. So let's go to the nav gem, I think it's called right now. Whoops, I want to do all 180 hours. So, okay. This storm shows that it's a little further north than the other storm that the CMC showed, a little further to the west. But it looks like it tries to go a little further east, and the low pressure up here picks it up much, much quicker. Excuse me. So, I've just, don't want to do the GFS. So, let's see if we can find the hero. Yeah, we're not. Okay, let's look at the satellite. This is pretty much right over the storm. About. Okay, it's right here, pretty much. Well, right there. Pretty much at. Huh? I'm not sure what time this shows. It's 5:45 right now. It's probably landfalled. So yeah. I'll show you the water vapor. And I'm up here in North Carolina, and I've noticed that we have gotten some rain from this. See all this huge part of it? That is definitely the baroclinic help. This is already getting baroclinic help, and it's really showing, especially right over North Carolina. Look at that. I mean, we're getting a lot of rain. Well, we're getting a lot of rain from it. Yeah, it's raining, I think, right now. I'm not sure. But yeah. It's definitely getting baroclinic help. So, let's go to my crudely drawn map. That's not the right one. Open, paint. Okay. So, here's the storm right here. I need a bigger dot. The storm's right there, pretty much. And I expect it to go. this is my idealized path. No, that's not it. My idealized track is not really that either. I did just the same thing. That's, I think, when it'll be tropical storm. And this orange is when I think it'll be extra tropical. That's how far I think it'll be pretty much extra tropical. So, and I think it'll be, the track will be within these black lines. Well, yeah, I don't think it'll go too far to the east or to the west of my track right now. It's in pretty much this area. No, not that far west, but yeah, you see this small area I just drew out for you right now. Thanks for, again, 10 subscribers. That may seem small, but it's somewhere. um, I guess I'll see you another time. I'm probably gonna make another video today, and I guess see you later. I'll make more updates, and I'll show you Tropical Storm Andrea because I'm probably gonna walk out into it if I possibly can. Stupid me. Achievement. That, yeah. I did that with Hurricane Irene a few years ago. Well, nevertheless, see you later, guys. Please like, favorite, subscribe, comment, or please rate. Please rate what you think it'll be. Yamas 1 and Mid-Atlantic weather. I will delete your comments if they're hater. So, haters gonna hate, I guess. And see you later.